In this video, you'll learn how to edit a DocuSign document that's already in progress without having to start all over again. We'll go step by step from opening the draft to making your changes to saving everything properly so it's ready to send. First, let's talk about where to find the document you want to edit. In DocuSign, documents that haven't been sent yet are stored as envelopes in your drafts. An envelope is just DocuSign's term for a package that can contain one or more documents, along with recipients and their signing fields. To begin, sign into your DocuSign account and go to your draft section. This is usually found on your main dashboard or under the Manage tab. Look through the list and locate the envelope that contains the document you want to update. Once you've found the right envelope in drafts, open it. This is where you can see its current setup, the attached document or documents, the recipients, and any fields you've already placed. To make changes, you'll need to switch into edit mode, look for the edit option, and click it. This tells DocuSign that you want to modify the envelope before sending it out, instead of creating a brand new one. After you click edit, you'll be taken into the familiar DocuSign preparation view. Here you can modify the document itself, the fields, or both, depending on what needs to be updated. If you need to adjust the document, you might replace a page, update an attachment, or correct text by uploading a revised version of the file. Keep in mind that major changes like completely different content or page order are usually best handled by updating the original file on your computer and then re-uploading it into the envelope. This keeps things clean and avoids confusion for your signers. If your changes are about where people sign or what they fill out, you'll be working with fields. Fields are the boxes and tags that indicate where a signer should click, type, or initial. You can click on an existing field to move it, resize it, or adjust which recipient it belongs to. If something is in the wrong place, drag it to the correct spot. If a field is no longer needed, you can remove it. To add new fields, use the field tools on the side of the screen and then drop them onto the document where you want the signer to interact. As you make these changes, take a moment to zoom in and double-check alignment. Make sure signature and date fields are clearly associated with the right lines or paragraphs, and confirm that each field is assigned to the correct recipient. A brief review here can prevent back and forth later if someone is unsure where to sign. When you're satisfied with the edits, it's important to save your work. Look for the Save option and click it to store all the changes you've made to the envelope. Saving ensures your updated document and fields are preserved in the draft section, ready for you to send when you're done reviewing. That's all there is to it. By opening the envelope in drafts, clicking edit, modifying the document or fields as needed, and then saving your changes, you can quickly update a DocuSign document without starting from scratch.